It was George Michael who once said, "Let's go outside." And although I'm pretty sure he wasn't talking about sauna locations, if he was, I think he would have said, "I think I'm done with the spare bedroom. I think I'm done with the back veranda. I think I'm done with the garage." With the iHealth barrel, we've brought the iHealth infrared sauna experience outdoors. The iHealth barrel uses tried and tested barrel technology to create a watertight design suitable for use outdoors without any external protection needed. This protects the internals and the sauna user, so you can be sweating it out regardless of the external conditions, whether it's raining, hailing, shining, or not doing anything at all. And although the barrel is very good at keeping the water out, the internals are built to withstand any water, so should any water get in, you don't need to worry about your barrel. And although the physics of barrel construction may be ancient, what we've fitted on the inside is most certainly not. Fitted inside the iHealth barrel are 5 full-spectrum infrared heaters, mainly adjustable with this potentiometer up here. It kind of reminds me of rolling up the volume on an expensive hi-fi system. Only instead of the volume going up, what I'm actually doing is adjusting the wavelength of infrared emitted from these heaters between near and far infrared. These heaters, combined with 4 carbon heaters in the barrel, mean you have 3,300 watts of powerful infrared heat to ensure you'll be sweating it out regardless of how cold it is outside. The iHealth barrel also comes with color therapy, essential oils, and a Bluetooth sound system, so you can fully customize your own tailored sauna experience in your special backyard setup. Best suited next to a pool, on a decking, or any solid flat surface, the iHealth barrel plugs into a 15 amp plug and needs to be assembled on a surface which can fully support its weight of 500 kilos. That's right, this thing is built to last. Check out the thickness of the Canadian cedar used and the stainless steel straps to hold it all together. The iHealth barrel is not going anywhere. Treat it like you would a decking. It needs to be cared and looked after if you want it to look good in 10 years' time. In particular, the timber, which requires coating every 6 to 12 months, and the straps, which, like any barrel structure, may require retensioning every 3 to 6 months, depending on your conditions. The iHealth barrel is powerful in its heat up times too. If it's 20 degrees, it'll have no issues getting to 55 degrees within 30 to 45 minutes. However, if it's 2 degrees on a Saturday morning, it might take over an hour to get to 55 degrees, and that's completely normal. All iHealth saunas come with a 24-hour preset, so you can preset your barrel to be nice and warm, ready for you when you want it. The iHealth barrel comes with a lifetime heater warranty, 5-year cabinet and 5-year electrical warranty, provided that the correct care and maintenance has been given to the sauna. The iHealth barrel, we've taken the tech from the full spectrum range and put it in a form factor to transform your backyard. It has wow factor, but we haven't moved away from our purpose. This is still a serious health tool to help anyone optimize their health.